Hey art friends, today is Friday. We had an awesome week. We drew a lot of characters from what movie?
Sherlock Gnomes.
Sherlock Gnomes, and it's an awesome movie. And you could actually purchase it on iTunes. We'll leave links below this video where you can head over there and purchase it. Did you like Sherlock Gnomes?
Yeah.
And who are we drawing today?
Juliet.
Your favorite character in the whole movie. We hope you guys are going to follow along with us. You got something to draw with. We're using markers and some
Paper.
And what else?
Color pencils.
Something to color with. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay. We're first going to start by drawing her eyes. We're going to draw two circles right in the middle of our paper, but towards the top. And we're going to leave some space in between the two circles. Yeah. And then one more, leave some space, and then, yeah, another circle. And then we're going to draw smaller circles in the top right to make her eyes look shiny and friendly. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave the two little circles white. There we go. Now let's draw her nose. We're going to draw a little U right in between her eyes. And then we could also draw her happy, so let's draw a smile.
Happy face.
Happy face. She's smiling. Now let's draw her face. We're going to draw a U shape. We're going to draw, it's going to come down like this and then back up. So we start right next to her eyes on both sides. Yep, go around and then back up. Perfect. Now let's draw her hair. We're going to draw the top of her head first. We're going to draw an upside down U. So we're going to leave a little space right here. Watch this. And then we're going to draw, whoa, look at that. It's like a rainbow line. But leave a little space on both sides so that we can finish her hair. There we go. Now let's draw the middle of her hair. And she's got a little piece that comes down, little point at the bottom, and then back up. Good. Now let's draw the curve. And you got to add eyelashes. That's my favorite part.
Yep.
And we could also add eyebrows too. Let's draw two little eyebrows. Now let's draw her hair. The rest of her hair, we're going to draw a curve. It starts here and it's going to come down and it can connect to this side. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side also. Now let's finish her hair. It's going to come down and into her cheek on both sides. Okay, now what should we draw?
Her hat.
Okay, let's draw her hat. We're going to draw her gnome hat. It's really tall. We're going to draw a curve that comes out of the top, and then it curves up like that. So it goes one direction, and then curves back the other. Yeah, and then we're going to repeat that same step on the other side. We'll curve up and in, and then back up. And then we're gonna come right about here. Yeah. Good job. Now at the top, let's connect them with an upside down U. Yeah, there we go. Now let's draw her body. We're going to draw two curves that come out of her chin, the bottom of her head. Then at the very bottom, let's connect them with a curve. That's her dress. Now let's draw her waist. We're going to draw a curve right through the middle. And then we can draw her neck. We're going to draw a big U, comes down and back up. And then we're going to draw a couple lines inside of here. So we're going to draw one that goes across for her dress. Then we're going to draw her collar. We're going to draw two U's, or it looks like a curved W. Now let's draw her arms. We're going to draw her sleeves first. We're going to draw her puffy sleeves. They're going to come out like that and back in. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Then we can draw the rest of her arm coming down and then curving in. We'll do that over here. Also, repeat the same step. Okay, now she also has an apron in front of her dress. So we're going to draw a big letter U that comes down, around, and up. Now, what's she missing?
Her legs.
Her legs or her feet. Yeah, let's draw two sideways U's for her shoes sticking out of the bottom of her dress. We did it, Hadley. We finished drawing Juliet. She looks really pretty.
Yeah.
Except we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color.
Yeah, we need to color her. She's gonna look so much better once we color her. This part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end, you guys at home can pause the video to match the same coloring. Hadley, good job! You did awesome on coloring Juliet. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
I had to add the eyelashes too, so that mine matched yours, because I liked it so much. Now, it's okay that our drawings do look a little different, right?
Yes.
Because the most important thing is,
To have fun.
yes, have fun and to practice, and both of them look super, super cute.
Yeah.
All right, Hadley, we're not completely finished with our drawings, right?
Yes.
What time is it?
Challenge time.
Challenge time. We want to challenge our art friends to finish their drawings by doing what?
Add more gnomes.
Add more gnomes. And you could add them in the background. You could also draw Juliet outside, maybe in the backyard. You could draw Nomeo next to her,
Yeah.
and maybe even Watson. Then parents, be sure to enter your child's drawing into our giveaway by posting a photo on Facebook, Instagram, or
Twitter.
Also use 2 tags. What's the first one?
At Art for Kids Hub.
Yes, at Art for Kids Hub, and hashtag
Sherlock Gnomes Art.
Sherlock Gnomes Art. The first one notifies us and lets us know that you've posted something. The second one keeps all the art together in a group, so it's easy to find. And you have 1 week to get your entries in, so be sure to submit them quickly, because we're gonna pick 5 winners on what day?
June 15th.
June 15th. We had so much fun drawing all of the characters from Sherlock Gnomes. We hope you guys had a lot of fun too. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.